morning. It is Friday and it is 8 in the morning. Believe it or not, my husband is still sleeping. He went to walk my dog yesterday and he is exhausted. Now he knows how it is. I'm uploading my video, and I'm sure that when you watch this video already, you watched that one. And what I'm doing is like a podcast now. I'm only posting one video in a week for now. It's been really hard with this weather and everything. I have so much to do, but I will try to do an update of everything that is going on that week. And so let's begin with with Friday again, like I did the previous week. And as soon as I finish doing this, I will show you my planner as an update for the planner. Okay, what we're doing. So this is the list that I have for this week. Remember, I work my list for the week in any of the day. It doesn't matter what day. I just go to my list and keep working on that. So this is for this week. I'm on Friday, but I haven't finished this, and of course I didn't mark this is done. I have things that are done, but anyway, let's see for garden what it was. My tomatoes. I didn't buy my tomatoes. I think I will do it tomorrow when I go to work. Trim roses, trim shape. I am going to change these. We will change these. We will leave this for the next week. Why? Because I want to work on the backyard today. So this will be moved for the next week. That's what it means here. Let's go to do that. Let's do it. Okay, we will move these so I can mow and trim the grass, hold the border, and then mow the grass, right? Okay, that looks more clean.